Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back to this video. In this video, we are going to solve all 40 questions of sample paper 2 step by step. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1. Why does steam cause more severe burns than boiling water? A. Steam is hotter than water. B. Steam has more latent heat. C. Steam transfers heat slowly. D. Steam does not cool easily. The correct answer here is option B, because steam contains latent heat of vaporization. So when steam touches skin, it condenses and releases this extra heat. That's why it causes more severe burns than boiling water. Our next question is question number 2. Why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders? A. Atmospheric pressure is higher at high altitudes. B. Low temperature makes oxygen unavailable. C. Gases behave as solids at high altitudes. D. Low pressure reduces the amount of oxygen available for respiration. The correct answer here is option number D, because at high altitudes atmospheric pressure is low, and due to this the amount of oxygen available for breathing reduces. So mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders. Our next question is question number 3. A wooden table is an example of A. Solid with fixed shape and volume. B. Liquid with fixed volume but no fixed shape. C. Gas with no fixed shape or volume. D. Plasma. The correct answer is option A, because a wooden table has fixed shape and fixed volume. This is a basic property of solids. Our next question is question number 4. Why does naphthalene balls disappear over time when kept in open air? A. Condensation. B. Diffusion. C. Sublimation. D. Melting. The correct answer is sublimation, because naphthalene changes directly from solid to gas without melting, and this process is called sublimation. Our next question is question number 5. Which property differentiates colloids from true solutions? A. Colloids have smaller particle size. B. Colloids allow light to pass through without scattering. C. Colloids are heterogeneous at the molecular level. D. Colloids are miscible with all solvents. The correct answer here is option C, because colloids appear uniform but are actually heterogeneous at microscopic level, and that is the main difference from two solutions. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. A scientist observes that a liquid mixture boils over a range of temperatures instead of a fixed temperature. Which of the following conclusions is most likely correct? A. The mixture is a pure substance. B. The mixture contains immiscible liquids. C. The mixture is a homogeneous mixture of two miscible liquids with different boiling points. D. The mixture contains dissolved solids that lower the boiling point. The correct answer here is option C, because boiling over a range show the mixture contains two miscible liquids with different boiling points, and pure substances boil at a fixed temperature. Our next question is question number 7. Which method separates two immiscible liquids? A. Filtration. B. Separating funnel. C. Distillation. And D. Sublimation. The correct answer is option B, because two immiscible liquids like oil and water are separated using a separating funnel. Our next question is question number 8. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms of the same element differ in mass, have the same size, mass and properties, can combine with atoms of other elements to form compounds. D. Cannot be destroyed but can be created. The correct answer is here option B, because atoms of same elements have same size, mass and properties according to Dalton's theory. Our next question is question number 9. Derive the empirical formula of a compound containing 50% sulfur and 50% oxygen by mass. Atomic masses of sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. So A says SO, B says SO2, C says S2O and D says S2O3. So here given is 50% sulfur and 50% oxygen, and atomic masses are also given 32 and 16. So here moles is 50 by 32, which will be equal to 1.56, and 50 by 16, which will be equal to 3.125. So divide by smaller. If we divide, the answer is 1:2. So the empirical formula is SO2, because S is 1 and O is 2. So SO2 is the correct option. Our next question is question number 10. Which of the following represents 1 mole of a substance? A. 12 gram of carbon. B. 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. C. 1 atom of oxygen. And D. 22.4. Again. Question number 10. Which of the following represents 1 mole of a substance? A. 12 gram of carbon. B. 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. C. 1 atom of oxygen. And D. 22.4 L of liquid at STP. The correct answer here is 12 gram of carbon, because 12 gram of carbon represents 1 mole of carbon atoms. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 11. Why do isotopes of an element have similar chemical properties? A. They have the same number of neutrons. B. They have the same electronic configuration. C. They have different atomic numbers. D. Their masses are identical. The correct answer here is option B. Why? Because isotopes have same electronic configuration and chemical properties depend on electrons, not neutrons. Our next question is question number 12. Which isotope of hydrogen contains 1 proton, 1 neutron and 1 electron? A. Protium. B. Deuterium. C. Tritium. And D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is B. Deuterium, because 1 proton, 1 neutron and 1 electron is in deuterium. Our next question is question 13. Which scientist proposed the planetary model of an atom? The correct answer is Rutherford, because Rutherford proposed the planetary model. Our next question is question 14. Cell drinking is a term used for A. Endocytosis. B. Exocytosis. C. Pinocytosis. And D. Phagocytosis. The correct answer is the option C, because cell drinking is called pinocytosis. Question number 15. A protein complex that links sister chromatids is A. Actin. B. Cohesion. C. Myosin. D. Ectomycin. The correct answer here is option B, because cohesion protein holds sister chromatids together. Let's begin with the question number 16. Chemical composition of chromosome is A. DNA and lipids. B. DNA and carbohydrates. C. Proteins and lipids. D. DNA and proteins. The correct answer is option D, because chromosomes are made of DNA and proteins. Our next question is question number 17th. Pick the incorrect statement. A. Mitochondria to cristae. B. Nucleus to controlling center of the cell. C. Cell wall to cellulose. And D. Endoplasmic reticulum to DNA and ribosomes. The correct answer here is option D, because this is incorrect. Endoplasmic reticulum does not contain DNA. So this is incorrect. Our next question is question number 18th. Trapped dust particles are pushed out of respiratory tract by A. Ciliated epithelium. B. Stratified epithelium. C. Sensory epithelium. D. Glandular epithelium. The correct answer here is ciliated epithelium, because ciliated epithelium pushes dust out by movement of cilia. Our next question is question number 19th. Assertion: non-striated muscles are said to be involuntary in nature. A. Non-striated muscles can be moved according to will. A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. Both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. C. The assertion is true, but the reason is false. D. The assertion is false, but the reason is true. Here, non-striated muscles are involuntary, but they cannot be moved by will. So reason is false, but the assertion is correct. So assertion is true, but the reason is false is the correct option. Our next question is question number 20. If a nail is hammered into a tree trunk, then the position of the nail after few years will be A. Same, B. Above, C. Lower, and D. Nail will disappear. The correct answer here is same, because tree grows upward from tip, so nail remains at same position. Our next question is question 21. Epithelial tissue always has an exposed outer surface and an inner surface anchored to connective tissue by a thin non-cellular structure called A. Non-stratified layer, B. Stratified layer, C. Basement membrane, and D. Fibroblast. The correct answer here is option C. Basement membrane, because basement membrane connects epithelial tissue with connective tissue. Our next question is question 22. The speed of moving object is calculated by A. Distance into time, B. Distance divided by time, C. Time divided by distance, and D. Time into speed. The correct answer here is option B, because speed is equals to distance upon time. Our next question is question number 23. A body moves in a straight line with constant acceleration. If the body's initial velocity is 5 meter per second and its final velocity after 10 seconds is 20 meter per second, calculate the distance traveled. A. 100 meter, B. 125 meter, C. 200 meter, and D. 250 meter. So here given is, let's write here, U is equals to 5 meter per second, that is velocity, and our final velocity is 20 meter per second, and time is 10 seconds. So here first find acceleration. So A is equals to V minus U upon T. So this will be 20 minus 5 by 10, which will be equal to 1.5. So now we'll find distance. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. This will be equal to 5 into 10 plus half into 1.5 into 100. This will be equal to So this will be equal to 50 plus 75, that is 125 meter. So our correct answer is option B. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 24. A car accelerates uniformly from 20 meter per second to 40 meter per second in 10 seconds. What is the acceleration? A. 2 meter per second square, B. 4 meter per second square, C. 6 meter per second square, and D. 1 meter per second square. So here we'll use formula, that is A equals to V minus U by T, and all the things are given to us. So this is 40 minus 20 divided by 10. This will be equal to, I'm writing here, 2 meter per second square. So our correct answer is option A. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 25th. A 1000 kg car is moving with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second. The brakes are applied and it stops in 10 seconds. What is the braking force? A. 5000 N, B. 1000 N, C. 2000 N, and D. 10,000 N. So here I'll write the things, given things. 1000 kg, 20 meter per second, 0, and time is 10 seconds. So here we are going to use same formula, A is equals to V minus U by T. So this is going to be 0 minus 20 by 10, that is minus 2. Now I'm going to solve here. F is equals to MA is equal to 1000 into 2. So this is our answer, 2000 N. So our correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 26th. A satellite of mass 2000 kg is in a circular orbit at a height where the acceleration due to gravity is 8 meter per second square. What is the gravitational force acting on the satellite? So again we are going to use F is equals to mg, that is 2000 into 8, which is equals to 16,000 N. So our correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 27. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will A. Stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. Again. Question number 27. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will A. Stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force, B. Start moving, C. Continue moving in a straight line, D. Accelerate continuously. The correct answer is option A, because object at rest stay at rest unless external force acts. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 28. What is the gravitational force acting on a 10 kg object near the Earth's surface? So here we are going to again use the same formula, that is F is equals to mg, that is 10 into 9.8 into, sorry, again. Here we are going to use same formula again, that is F is equals to mg, which is 10 into 9.8, which is 98 N. So our correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 29. A body of mass 10 kg is lifted to a height of 50 meters. What is the gravitational potential energy? Use G as 9.8 meter per second square. A. 4300 J, B. 2000 joule, C. 1000 J, D. 4900 J. Here we are going to solve. That is our potential energy is equals to mgh, that is equals to 10 into 9.8, which is given, and into 50. This is also given. So all the things are given. We just need to multiply. So after multiplying this, we'll get 4900 joule. So our correct answer is option D. Our next question is question number 30. The acceleration due to gravity near the Earth's surface is A. 9.8 meter per second square, B. 10 meter per second square, C. 11 meter per second square, and D. 9 meter per second square. The correct answer is very easy. It is option number A. Our next question is question number 31. What is the kinetic energy of an object of mass 2 kg moving with a speed of 10 meter per second? A. 20 J, B. 150 joule, C. 100 joule, and D. 200 joule. Here the correct answer is kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So this will be equals 1 by 2 into 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. So this whole will be equal to 100 joule. So our correct answer will be option C. Our next question is question 32. A car of mass 1200 kg is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Calculate the work required to stop the car. A. 12,000 joule, B. 48,000 joule, C. 24,000 joule, and D. 240,000 joule. Here work to stop is initial kinetic energy. So that is half into 1200 into 20 square. So this whole will be equal to 2400. That is 240,000 joule. So our correct answer is option D. Our next question is question 33. A force on 10N is applied to move an object 5 meters. The work done on the object is A. 5 joule, B. 10 joule, C. 50 joule, D. 100 joule. So here we are going to use this formula F into S, that is equals to 10 into 5, that is 50. So our correct answer is option C. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 34. A bat uses echolocation with a sound of frequency 40 kHz. The sound waves travel at 343 meter per second in air. What is the wavelength of the sound? So here we are going to use formula lambda is equals to V by F, that will be equal to 343 divided by 40,000, and this will be equal to 0.0085 meter. So our correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 35th. If the temperature of the air increases, what happens to the speed of sound? A. It decreases, B. It increases, C. It remains constant, D. It becomes 0. The correct answer is option B, because speed of sound increases with temperature. Our next question is question number 36. The frequency of sound is measured in A. meters, B. hertz, C. seconds, and D. Newton. Clearly the correct answer is hertz. Our next question is question number 37. Crossbreeding between different genera is A. intervarietal, B. interspecific, C. intrageneric, and D. intergeneric. The correct answer is intergeneric, because crossbreeding is called intergeneric. Our next question is question number 38. Which of the following is a disease of poultry? A. Ranikhet, B. Foalpox, C. Fall cholera, and D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is all of the above, because all three A, B, C are disease of poultry. Our next question is question number 39. Which of the following include only weeds? Only weeds. A. Canopodium, sunflower, and triticale. B. Amaranthus, Canopodium, and convolvulus. C. Convolvulus, berseem, and paddy. D. Amaranthus, convolvulus, and sunflower. Here the correct answer is option B. Amaranthus, Caminopodium, and convolvulus. Our next question is question number 40. From the following pairs of living organisms, which pair is used for freshwater fishery? A. Rohu and Catla, B. Shrimp and lobster, C. Rohu and lobster, D. Katla and lobster. The correct answer is Rohu and Katla. So student, that completes sample paper 2. Revise this numericals once and you are fully confident, and all the best for your exams.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.